Hey, this will be a video chart on MMTE. Before I get started, I want to note that this is a 60-minute chart, so if it looks kind of unfamiliar to you, that is why. I want to break down this one just because it does a little bit better job of what's been going on. I did an annotated one on this a couple days ago, just a little bit before the breakout happened, and then yesterday the stock broke out above its key resistance level, and then the follow-through started to come in today. Biggest volume it's had in a very long time, and was up over 20%. So it was a great day all the way around, and just want to break down their chart now. So hopefully I can get the questions answered that have been coming in. So here we are looking at the 60-minute chart, and the last hour, the sellers did come in, but that's why you can't just look at it in the last hour. If we look at the overall picture, you can see that the trend is still very much up, and you can see that the 200 period, the 50 period moving averages both have nice slopes to them. So really the chart's really starting to fire on all cylinders. So in terms of that last candle, and the reason I'm addressing this is I got a few questions about it, people almost kind of freaking out, and there's nothing to freak out about when it comes to one single candle. Now if you had about 5 of these in a row, yeah, that's a different story, but just one, you got to look at the overall picture, and the overall picture right now is it's still in a nice uptrend here. So what I'm going to do now is kind of squish up the chart a little bit to just pretty much show what this chart's been doing ever since it's pretty much consolidated. But you can see that it keeps putting in. So it made its move here, and then you can see when it dropped down, it's put in a set of lows down here, made this big move, dropped down. Here was the new set of lows. You could count this as part of it, and then as we continue to go through, you can see now that it's made this big move up. And the key resistance that I pointed out in the annotated chart I did was right here. And this level is based right around the 0.002 level. So we can just call it 0.002, 0.0021, whatever you want to call it. But that was a key level of resistance. And sure enough, you can see that when the resistance did fall, the price really took off like it did right there. Sorry about that arrow. Not sure what happened. But so this is now a key level of support, and this is what I'm going to kind of deem the must-hold support. The reason I'm calling it the must-hold is, if this move is going to be truly strong like all these past ones have, then it really shouldn't have any problem. If the price even does come down here, it shouldn't have any problem holding up. This big move came, it pulled back because this move here was a strong, genuine move. The base was able to build higher. Same thing here. Because this move here was genuinely strong, the price was able to put in a higher base. And the same philosophy is going to apply here. If this is a genuinely strong move, then this level up here really shouldn't have any problem holding and forming a new base. So that's why I kind of look at that as a key level of support. In terms of resistance, essentially the chart's in a blue sky breakout territory, or in a blue sky breakout. So being that it's in kind of uncharted territory, all you can really do is go by where the profit takers have stepped in. And most recently, they decided to step in up here at 0.0032. But with another big surge of volume, I don't see this putting up much of a fight. So yes, it is a resistance, but I'm just going to leave it a skinny red line to represent it being, I don't foresee it being some sort of big, huge brick wall of resistance, but it is, technically a resistance level. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setup, straight ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. There's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some real good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MMTE. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.